TECPEL's DMM-8062A digital multimeter is a high-precision true RMS measuring device. This multimeter boasts a 6,000 count display, ensuring superior measurement accuracy. The DMM-8062A features 4 main functionalities. It includes true RMS measurements, rapid response analog bar graph, capability to measure AC secondary components, and sensitive voltage detection, among others. Additionally, the DMM-8062A supports both AC and DC measurements, resistance and diode testing. It can also measure capacitance, thermocouple temperature, and comes with a manual range adjustment feature. This multimeter is suitable for a variety of applications, from precision circuit board repairs to electrical and plumbing system maintenance, making it an ideal tool choice.